guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So I'm Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Christmas card. So as you guys know, Christmas is approaching, so I decided to make some Christmas card tutorials. So finally I brought one today. So in today's video we are going to make a DIY Christmas card with these supplies. So the Christmas card will look very beautiful and you guys would love it. And as you all know, you guys requested me on my community tab to post some. I did a poll, so most of the people voted for Christmas card tutorial. So here I am with one Christmas card tutorial. So without any further ado, let's see the materials. So first I'm taking a scissor. Then I am taking an A4 size sheet which I have divided into two parts, and here I have drawn one design. So in the design there are 3 flowers here and 3 flowers there, in which I have done shading here with red and pink, and here with purple and blue. So then there's a basket and some leaves and some cute designs like these hanging up. So you can do that at home also. Not to extend the video, so I'm not showing in this video how to do this, but I'll show it any day. And as you guys see, it's very easy to make. So it's an A4 size sheet. Next I need one A5 size sheet of light green color for decoration and all inside it. Then the next thing which you guys need is one disco tape of, this is optional, disco tape of golden color. Then I'm taking one green sketch pen, light green. Then you need a black pen with a thin tip. Don't take a thick tip one. Then you need 2 color pens of light green and purple color. Then you need a scale, one Fevicol, one golden glitter sheet. You can choose any color. Then I have taken these 2 hearts which I have cut from a punch, and they are of a red glittery color. Then the major thing of the card is these different circles of different diameters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the diameter of these circles. First is of yellow color, then it's a patterned one, then it's a cardboard color, then it's a patterned again. So if you guys take textured one, then it will be better. This texture won't be visible. Then again this is a texture sheet. Then this is a patterned one. Then this is also a textured one. And this is a velvet blue sheet which looks very pretty. So these all were the materials which were needed for this video. So without any further ado, let's just start on with the video. So for the first step, here I have taken my sheet on which I had drawn this. Now what I will do is, I will just take a pen. I'm taking this one and I'll be writing Merry Christmas. I hope it's visible to you all. So I've written Merry and now I'll write Christmas. Please pardon my handwriting, it's worse. So here I've written Merry Christmas like this, and now I'll make a heart here. Now we move on to the inside part of a card. Here what I will be doing is, I'll be taking this sheet and I'll be just measuring it. So what will be the measure of the sheet? Let's just see. I am gonna be taking 13 centimeters. So the breadth is 13, and let's see the length. So I will just leave some sides of the yellow sheet. I will not fully till. So first I'll mark. I need it till here. So let's measure it up. So I've measured the length. The length is 19.5 centimeters. So now I'm just gonna cut it out. So now I've cut off the measurement and it's like this. So now we are gonna just remove this sheet, and now we have to do all with the circles. So now what we will do is, I'll take all the circles here and we'll decide the positions of all of these. So we have a thin sheet, so this one can come. I'll choose the thin ones. Somewhat like this we'll do them. So out of all of these, I have chosen these 5 to be put up here, and now I will just stick them with the help of a fairy. Then this would look, give a lavish look to it. And then comes this one. I think this position will be good for it. And then the last one, it's a bit textured, so we need to put more glue on it. I'll put it up. So all of these are done, and now we will draw some lines on it. And we'll draw them with the help of black pen. Press it up hard. This is it. So now we have drawn lines for all of them. Now I'll take my glitter sheet, and now I'll just put them here like this. I'm gonna measure it. First we are gonna measure it. The measurement is 12.5 centimeter. So this is measuring 12. So now here on the sheet I'll be measuring 12.5 centimeters, and here I will be measuring 1.5. And now we will cut it out. So now it depends on you which type of foam sheet are you taking. I took one with the foam, this glue, so I'll remove this and stick it. And we'll just stick it. So it's looking very cool. And here I'm gonna write again. So now I'm gonna write I'm writing, have a lovely Christmas. I have written, and now let's see where we can stick the 2 hearts in here. I don't think we need the 2 hearts right now, so what I'll do is I'll open it and I'll just stick it here. So guys, now I have stuck it in here with Fevicol. It looks very pretty, and here I have stuck the 2 hearts. So our Merry Christmas card is ready and it looks very cute. So here we have the design, and when we open it, we have this pretty Christmas greeting here. So I hope you guys like this video. So do like, subscribe and share, and do comment down you liked it or not, and are you gonna recreate. If you want to recreate it, then do send me at my Gmail, which I'm giving in the description box, and I will feature it on my community tab. So stay tuned. Bye guys.